What's up guys, my name's Jake. Welcome back to another episode of JD Cars. If you're new here, please go check us out at jd-cars.com. Follow us on Instagram at jd.cars and be sure to subscribe for more content. Today we're going to be maximizing, well, not maximizing, but significantly increasing the storage capacity on the Jeep Wrangler here. If you guys haven't seen it before, this is our 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. It's got a 4-inch lift and some 37-inch tires, which is pretty gnarly. And if you guys are anything like me, you're definitely gonna have some things hanging out in the trunk of your Jeep. So for me, that looks like I have tow hitch, I have some bungee cords. Funny enough, this is a little step stool for some people that have difficulty getting in the Jeep. And then just a bottle of coolant because our radiator does seem to be leaking ever so slightly. But as one would imagine, going around turns, hitting bumps, or off-roading, all this stuff is flying around the trunk, making a racket, and it's just not a very neat way to store things. So today we're going to be implementing some Suparee rear roll bar storage bars. I'm really excited because if you've ever been in a Jeep or you've ever owned one, you'll know they really don't have a whole lot of storage. So we're going to be increasing the practicality of the Jeep here, increasing storage, and yeah, let's get to it. So before we jump into the install, let's see what we receive in the box here from Suparee. As always, we're greeted with a nice Suparee customer service card. Very nice. And here are storage bags. Ziploc bag. Keep them nice and clean and dry. And let's just take a look at one to begin with here. Set the other aside. So right off the bat, this feels like very nice quality, very high quality. The stitching is all very nice, very neat, very straight lines. It all looks like very nice, very nicely done. To be perfectly honest, I was expecting a little bit lower grade quality, but this is really heavy duty nylon material, very strong feeling. These clips feel high quality. Let's check out the zippers. Zippers feel good. We have all these little molly loops, carabiners included on here for your convenience. So really looking very nice. So let's check it out here, see what compartments we have. We have one main large compartment from the looks of it here. That's this zipper here, and it actually opens up even more like that, and we can fill this entire thing up. Looks like some sort of divider is included here. Tons of room in here in this compartment. Zipper this back up. So that's the one large main compartment. We then also have another zipper right in the middle here, which has a very sizable pocket right here. Another pocket up top with Velcro. We have these two mesh pockets right here. Another mesh pocket on the end. Another pocket below that. And then we have a bunch of smaller little bungee pockets down here. As I said before, we have these clips, these molly loops, and just tons of storage options here. Really impressed, I'm really excited. Let's go install this on the Jeep. Would like to take a brief second to appreciate how beautiful it is outside. Beautiful spring day. Obviously you can probably hear all these birds chirping away. Kind of glad winter ended earlier this year. Also gives me a good excuse to come out here, film a bunch of videos. Anyways, opening up the trunk here. We're gonna start over on the passenger side. The bags are labeled left and right. I'm gonna rip this off just because we don't need it anymore. But we're gonna go ahead and open up all of these clips. And once you've opened up all of these clips along that side, you can come in here. We're actually gonna fold down the seat and hop in here just to better show you guys what we're doing, we'll keep the seatbelt on the back side of this, of course, and we're going to take our first clip, bring it up and around, flip it around the roll bar, and you guys understand where I'm going from here. We're just going to clip all of these clips around the roll bar. You can go ahead and tighten them all down. So there's one installed over on the passenger side here. I'm going to quickly do the other side and we'll test it out with our miscellaneous items here. Alright, cool. So we have both sides installed. Took me literally less than 5 minutes. Very simple. The one thing I would note is be careful with your seat belts. I would urge you to tuck the bag up and over this metal bracket to kind of space it away from the seat belt, so that the seatbelt can actually extend and retract. But yeah, it looks pretty sweet. Let's grab some stuff and load them up. Let's try tossing this trailer hitch in there. By the way, if you guys don't know, these things weigh a lot. This is probably a good 15-20 pounds. Alright, it fits in there, but I'm having some trouble zipping it up. So, probably actually put it in the main compartment. This main compartment's probably a little better suited. Toss it right on in there. Grab our zipper. Zip it right on up. Trailer hitch is in there. Let's go toss that coolant in the other side. Okay. Alright, coolant's in that side. And then let's take these bungee cords and probably put them in that mesh pocket there. Alright, those guys are up there. And last but not least is the little step stool. I actually just moved these straps down a few positions on the molly strip here. As you can see, that's where they normally are. Move this one back a little bit, and I'm gonna strap this up there. There we go. So now, as you can see, whole trunk is open. We have all that stuff. I know it wasn't that much, but we have all that stuff stored up to the sides here, out of the way, out of sight for the most part. And yeah, so I do want to check out two things. I want to check out if it interferes with being a rear passenger, and then how much it interferes with our blind spot visibility. Close this up. Alright, so rear passenger. Let's see. Alright, so I didn't hit myself on the bag. It didn't really bother me getting in. It doesn't bother me at all sitting here. I can't even notice it, to be honest. And then let's see how buckling up goes. So we have our seatbelt. Bring it around. Yeah, honestly, it does not interfere whatsoever. I'm able to buckle up completely comfortably. So that's sweet. Let's see if it retracts. Alright, retracting, slightly inhibited because there's, this bag rubbing on it, but not the end of the world. And now let's check out how it looks from up front here. Alright, so rear view mirror, we really don't have any visibility outside these two windows to begin with. Now, the only thing that kind of sucks about this is, if you're on the highway and you want to look back, I don't really look back that far. I usually just look out the rear door window or in my mirror over here. So it's not really the end of the world. Yes, it restricts our view a little bit back there, but I think it's worth it for the increased storage and whatnot. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video. Overall, I'm impressed. They definitely met and exceeded my expectations. I think for the price, it's a good investment, especially if you have stuff that you're constantly using with the Jeep and it's rolling around in the back. The great thing is they're really easy to install and remove, and I can definitely see myself using this a lot during the summer when I have the top off and storage is like even more significantly impacted. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to go check out my other videos. This video is actually part of a series where I'm covering some of the top Amazon Jeep accessories under $400. So definitely go check out the other videos in this series if you're interested in more accessories, such as these grab handles. They're sweet. I love them. Please go smash that like button if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more Jeep content, and I'll see you guys next time on JD Cars.